Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to release or remove the face cover on your DualSense Edge controller for your PlayStation 5. So you need to remove this cover so you can change out the thumbstick modules if you have stick drift or if they're broken. So you can just turn the controller around and you can see it says release right here. So I'm just going to flip it around, and I typically like holding this and then pushing towards me just like this. So you can use your fingernail and you should be able to just release it. Just come at like a diagonal angle here and it should pop up. Boom, just like that. So just practice this. So push it towards you, flip it around, just hold it like this, use your fingernail, swipe down, and you should be able to place it in there and then release it, and it should just pop up. So I'll show you one more time how I do that. So I'll flip it around with my right hand right here. Use my left hand, bring it down, get my fingernail in there. Boom, it pops up. Now to open up the modules, just press up on the lever. Controller will blink if it's on. And you just remove it. And then you go to like Amazon.com or PlayStation.com and you buy another module. And then when you get a new one, just pop it in right here. Clamp this down. Then put on the cover. And it should snap down. Boom, it looks good, and the release is set there, and you're good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.